Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to backup and restore Finch data. Finch is a self-care and mental wellness app that helps users build healthy routine through daily goals, reflection and encouragement from a virtual paid companion, because Finch stores important personal progress such as goals, reflections, streaks and rewards. And it is important to know how to backup and restore your Finch data so nothing is lost when changing phone, reinstalling the app or fixing issues. And in this guide you will learn how Finch backup works and how to restore your data step by step. First, you need to open to your Finch and make sure you have logged in. In the top left there's a three-line icon. Select to the three-line icon, and once you reach into this interface here, what you can do is go to the setting, and over here under the account you can find your data. Just below the preferences you can select to your data. Over here what you can do is select manual data, which will create a load a backup file here. You can either create backup file or load for your preference, and Finch automatically saves your goals, reflections, tricks, items and paid progress when you're logged in and online. No manual backup button is required. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I can help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.